To know if it doesn't beep, then go back and check because I've probably stuffed something up. Cool. All right, solving a quadratic equation graphically, you'll notice that what they've done is they've taken these graphs and they've graphed them. They've worked out vertex and all that. Now, if they're asking you to solve it graphically, you may have to graph them, but a lot of the times they'll supply the graph. So this one says use the graphs to solve these inequations. X squared minus 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. What they did is first rearrange that so that you've got it in the same form that you're used to, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and then it's been graphed. We all cool with that? Excellent. All right, so what is the solution to this? Well, we have, that's a highlighter. We have x squared minus 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Factorize that. Remember, you've got 3 versions of how to solve them, and there's 3 questions there, which means you're probably going to have one of each. So let's start this one by factoring it. So what's the PSF? Product is minus 3, sum is minus 2. What are my factors? Minus 3, x plus 1. And you still got the greater than or equal to 0. We all good with that? Okay. So what are my solutions? So x is either greater than or equal to 3 or close. Less than or equal to minus 1.
Oh, because it's a negative.
There you go.
When did you divide it?
If I make that equal, if I make that minus 1, if I had x is greater than minus 1, so that means I could have 0 in there. And if you sub that in, the answer you get, because you're multiplying it by a negative over here, because you're gonna get a negative. If you put anything greater than minus 1, you're gonna end up with a negative.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it because also x is already greater than or equal to 3? So really we can't do less than.
Yeah, you can't have both of those.
Okay, cool.
It's either going to be both that way or in between. Okay. All right, next one, x squared. So we've got x squared plus 1 is less than or equal to 2x. What they've done is rearrange that. They've subtracted 2x from both sides. So you get y equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. How are we going to solve this one? We've got x squared. Remember, we've got x squared plus 1 less than 2x. So if I brought that across, we've got x squared minus 2x plus 1. Yeah, which means we've got a perfect square, haven't we? X minus 1 all squared. Which means what is my version going to be? X equals 1. Because I'm going to have 2 solutions, but they're both going to be the same, I can't have one less than 1 and one greater than 1, and I can't have them in between 1 and 1. So it's just x equals 1 is the only solution.
Why did you write x squared plus 1?
That's the actual question. And then the next line just brings it over to one side. Sorry? There you go. We then have the third one. All right, can I get you guys to correct something on your booklet there? I'm going to get you to correct something. See where it says 6x minus 4 is greater than x squared? Yeah, it's missing a 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should have a 3. All right, so we rearrange that and we get 3x minus 6x plus 4. All good with that? All right, so when we're doing that, we've got, I'm not going to write the first line this time. I'm going to go 3x squared minus 6x plus 4 is less than 0. Why have I done less than 0 instead of greater than 0? Well, if I rearrange this one, I would either have to bring both of those across, or I'd bring that across and it'd become a minus. Okay, and if it was a minus, then I'm multiplying it by -1. So everyone happy with that? All right. Then solve that. What's the discriminant? Yep. So b squared minus 6 squared minus 4 times 3 times 4. $36 minus 48, which gives me minus 12. Correct, because your discriminant's less than 0. 4 times 3 is 12 times 4 is 48.
It tells you that the graph literally says this.
The graph does show you it, doesn't it? Now, if you have a look at the solutions that we've just got, that we've solved algebraically, if you look at it graphically, if you've graphed it, you've already got the solutions. The only thing you're not sure of is where is it? Well, it's greater than 3 and less than -1, which means that is the solution and that is the solution. Does that make sense? This is not part of the solution because it is neither less than -1 or greater than 3. Happy? With this next one, the only spot that this one works is there. With this last one, there is no solutions. You all cool?